Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D design in Canva. Open new project and go to elements and scroll down to shapes. Choose the shape. Go to border style and increase the corner rounding to 100 and shape it like this. Go to colors and the gradients and choose this gradient style or any style you want. Go to this plus icon and choose the second style and try to place this shape in the middle of the design. Add new shape and increase the corner rounding to 100 as well and shape it. Change the color to white color and place it like this and go to text and type your text. Change the font to any font you want. Let's choose HCut font. Change the color to white color. Let's increase the letter spacing a little bit and place it in the middle. And download this page. Upload it. And delete this white shape and delete the text as well. Click in the new image. Increase the size, edit image. Remove the background. Scroll down to shadows, drop, make 50 in the angle, decrease the blur amount and decrease the distance, and increase the size to fit the design. And you can add your image. Click in your image, edit image, remove the background, and place this image behind this layer. And you can animate it if you want by going to animate baseline, decrease the speed, and let's add a final touch to our design. Let's crop all, click in the background, let's choose this gradient style, elements, type turn page graphics. Let's choose this element, rotate it and place it in the corner. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.